What's going on, guys? Welcome back to What's Been the Woods. Today we've got an exciting episode. So I'm out here in the shop. I'm actually elevated a bunch because I'm in the old boat. See, boat. I'm on a boat. So I'm on my bass boat, John boat. Call it what you want. So if you guys remember my old deck from a couple videos, right there, all the way. All of that. And all of that was like open, like you could drop stuff. So I built this new one right there, and the other one only had one hatch right there in the middle, right there, over there, like right there in the middle, in between these two. All right, I flipped the camera around, right in between those, so like right there. So I built this new deck. It hugs tight to the side. I really like it. Up there, I think I might get a new trolling motor. We'll see. But these hatches, I got 2 hatches for terminal tackle. These things are nice. So I'm gonna put hinges and all that kind of stuff on them, but we got nice boxes in both of them. So we need to paint this and this and this and this. But then should look good. We'll be flipping and pitching once I move all that stuff. But in the meantime, I've been doing some organizing down here. So I think in those 2 hatches, I've put something right there too. I'm gonna put terminal tackle. So then I got these things right here, these big boxes, and I put all of my, I got my exo sticks, I got some of my Kitex, Guggen Kitex, got some power baits. This is all just my extra, like my cheaper soft plastics, and then I got this thing here. I got another one packed to the brim with Guggen baits. Got a bunch of Guggen baits, Kraken crawls, bandito bugs, all of this goodness, googie goodness. Yeah, so that's that. Set that right there. It's gonna stay there. And then I took all this stuff out of the boat. All this, except the flat rod. All this was in the boat. So I think in those, I'm probably just gonna put this kind of stuff, like hard tackle boxes. So I think we're gonna pick back up tomorrow and paint these. Guys, got the camera flipped around, so I painted these the other day with Wilson, and I put the hinges on. Didn't film it, but yeah, so here's what they look like. You just pull this open. We made a little groove right there for it. Pull it open, and we need to clean these out too. This one, we only got 1 staple in. I need to find some more staples. This one over here, I got a bunch of staples in. There you go. Bunch of staples there and then that. So I'm gonna put, I think, soft plastics in that one and some hard baits in that one. One of the 2. But we gotta get this mess cleaned up, and I gotta do a couple things up there with the trolling motor. I want to run some wiring down there and then back to here, and then just run it along here. And I'll either want to put the battery under there or back there. So we'll do one of the 2. But we got to clean this mess up, so enjoy the time lapse. Off the deck of the boat. So now I think the next step is going to be getting the sweeper out, sweeping out these consoles, just making it look all nice. So let's grab the sweeper. Let's start. It's now time for the organizing part. I'm going to put the hard baits in the left thing. Putting all my hard baits in this one. So hopefully these boxes fit. So chatterbaits, jigs, spinnerbaits. Fit like a glove. Terminal. Trailers. Crankbaits, swim baits, chow, crankbaits, that kind of stuff. I like that. And then the baits that I'm throwing that day, like say I'm throwing a soft plastic something, I'll have that in here probably just as like a little day box thing. That's slick. Let's get some soft plastics in here. Alright guys, now we're just doing some simple things. Got hard baits in here, soft plastics under. In here's going to be like my line, my scales, my all that kind of stuff. So we're getting there. and a couple more things gotta go in the old box. Just doing some organizing, putting some stuff in these money bags. Gotta put all my line in one of these money bags. We got some fluorocarbon, some braid. I got a lot more of this stuff. I think it's down in the cabin. But just kind of doing this and then wrapping up the bag into a circle. That one's, I'll show you how it ends at the end. I think I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna eat some lunch. Then I'll come back out. But, guys, work back here, cleaned up a little bit. Got the back trolley motor, got 2 little seat pads. Gotta put in battery hookups and stuff. Put a whistle there. I got my 2 big soft plastic bins down under there. Up here, got everything cleaned up. Gotta work on the trolley motor a little bit. So then first box, got all your terminal, dip and die, just all that kind of stuff in your first box. Second box, got line, scales, all that good stuff. So that's kind of it, guys. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for tuning up into another What's Up in the Woods episode, and hopefully we can get some videos of us going out on the boat doing some dangling. Hopefully we can catch some big 5, 6, 7 pounders on my home lakes. So guys, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you get so that you know every time we upload a video, and please hit that like button. Go back to the other video, hit that like button, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching What's Up in the Woods.